Good day, everyone. This is your European Open briefing for Thursday, August 25th, 2016. I'm Selena Nicholas, currency analyst at xm.com. Let's look at what's happening in the markets today. So it's been a light trading session in Asia this morning. Thin summer volumes, a lack of direction, also the upcoming Jackson Hole meeting tomorrow is keeping investors on the sidelines. Although the dollar has been firming up all week heading into this meeting, oil is down on the EIA crude oil inventory report that was out yesterday showing an unexpected build in crude oil inventories. So let's look at the dollar index. As you can see, it's been rising all week. Today it's stabilized ahead of this meeting, but investors are expecting Fed Chair Janet Yellen to sound a bit less dovish in her keynote speech tomorrow. Everyone's hoping to get more clarity on the timing of the next Fed rate hike. Will she follow on from her Fed officials? There were some hawkish views from Vice Chairman Stanley Fischer, New York Fed President William Dudley, who've all been speaking recently, indicating their support for a rate hike before the end of the year. If we look at the US 10-year Treasury note, the yield, it's been flat all week. We look here, 1.55. In fact, all month, the yield has been stuck in a narrow range between 1.50 1.59%. So the lack of clarity on the timing of the Fed's next move has basically confined treasuries to these small trading ranges, as bond traders are being cautious ahead of this speech by Yellen. They need to see more clarity on the Fed's rate hike path. But against the yen, the dollar has been rising all week, and today it's stabilized pretty much in the range in Asia. Dollar's higher today despite yesterday's disappointing US housing data. Existing home sales, they fell year over year for the first time since November 2015. So today, despite this data, we still have dollar yen above the key 100 yen level. The euro, it's lower today. It fell back below the key psychological level of 1.13. It's consolidating in Asia today. Focus turns to some data out of Germany this morning. It's the German IFO business climate data, and some would closely watch this data, as Germany is the largest Eurozone economy, and this data is based on a survey of German manufacturers, builders, wholesalers, and retailers. So it's quite a good indication for the German economy. Oil still in focus. It dropped to a one-week low after an EIA report showed that crude oil inventories unexpectedly rose last week by 2.5 million barrels in the previous week. This was above what was forecast. So we saw WTI oil prices fall below $47 a barrel, and they still remain below this 47 mark today. Focus will be on the upcoming informal OPEC meeting. There were some talks recently, some reports that Saudi Arabia and Russia were willing to limit oil production, although many aren't really expecting this to happen. So we'll see what happens at the upcoming meeting, which will be held in Algeria. The economic calendar today, as I mentioned, we have German IFO. We have some US data on durable goods and jobless claims, as well as flash PMI For the services sector in the US, it's done by market. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.